The Big Five personality traits offer a comprehensive framework for understanding human personality and behavior. These traits are crucial in assessing and predicting individual differences across various contexts. In psychology, human resources, and personal development, the Big Five traits are invaluable. They help professionals understand and predict behaviors, improving interpersonal relationships and guiding personal and professional growth. Understanding where one falls on each of the Big Five dimensions enhances self-awareness. This knowledge can lead to better decision-making, improved relationships, and targeted personal development strategies. Psychologists use the Big Five model to create detailed personality profiles. These profiles provide insights into individual preferences, behaviors, and potential challenges, making the model a cornerstone of personality research and applied psychology. Neuroticism measures the degree to which a person experiences negative emotions such as anxiety, anger, and depression. High levels of neuroticism are associated with emotional instability and a higher propensity for stress. People with high neuroticism experience frequent negative emotions. They are more prone to anxiety and depression, easily stressed, and emotionally reactive. They tend to worry excessively and may struggle with self-confidence. Those with low neuroticism or high emotional stability are generally calm and stable. They are less prone to negative emotions, handle stress well, and are more emotionally resilient. They also tend to have higher levels of self-confidence. Agreeableness pertains to a person's tendency to be compassionate, cooperative, and harmonious in their relationships with others. Individuals high in agreeableness are often empathetic, altruistic, and eager to help others. They are compassionate and kind, cooperative and helpful, trusting and forgiving. They enjoy working with others and seek to avoid conflict. Individuals low in agreeableness are more competitive and assertive. They are less concerned with others' feelings, can be critical and skeptical, and may prioritize self-interest over cooperation. They are more likely to engage in conflict. Extroversion reflects how sociable, outgoing, and energetic a person is. Extroverts seek social interactions and are often seen as enthusiastic and assertive. They thrive in social environments. People with high extroversion are sociable and outgoing. They are energetic, enthusiastic, talkative, and assertive. They enjoy being the center of attention and prefer group activities and social gatherings. Those with low extroversion or introversion are reserved and quiet. They are more reflective and introspective, preferring solitary activities or small groups. They are less energetic in social settings and may find social interactions draining. Conscientiousness describes a person's ability to be organized, dependable, and self-disciplined. Individuals high in conscientiousness are often goal-oriented, diligent, and reliable. They are known for their strong work ethic and attention to detail. People high in conscientiousness are organized and efficient. They are reliable and dependable, disciplined, and self-controlled. These individuals are goal-oriented and ambitious, always paying attention to detail. Their strong work ethic makes them diligent in their tasks. Those low in conscientiousness are more spontaneous and flexible. They tend to be less organized and reliable, often procrastinating or avoiding planning. These individuals are more relaxed about deadlines and less focused on long-term goals. They prefer a more laid-back approach to life. Openness to experience refers to how imaginative, curious, and open-minded an individual is. Those high in openness embrace new experiences, ideas, and unconventional values, exploring novel environments and engaging in creative thinking. People high in openness are imaginative and creative. They are open to new experiences and ideas, curious about the world, and enjoy variety and diversity. They tend to think abstractly and are willing to explore different perspectives. Individuals low in openness prefer routine and familiarity. They are more conventional and traditional, less interested in abstract ideas, and practical and down-to-earth. They tend to be more cautious about change and prefer sticking to what they know.